Hi friends, as I promised, it's time for today's Rodan & Fields product video. Today I'm going to talk to you about our newest tool, which is our Pore Cleansing MD system. I just call it the Pore Sucker or the Pore Vacuum because that other name is really quite a mouthful. Before I do that though, I had a couple of follow-on questions about yesterday's video on the lash boost. And they were all about how does it go on. I realized after I didn't pull it out and show it to you. So it's a little brush. Just goes on one swipe along each upper lash line. I also do my bottom lashes, but it's not indicated for that. I do it anyway. So there you go. That's the last little bit of lash boost. Moving on to this, I did get some questions about it. As I said, this is our newest tool. So let me just go through those, and I think that will help me figure out where to go. So the first question is, how exactly does this contraption work? Well, it works on suction. You'll see in the top here there's an opening, and there are two separate heads that you have a choice of. See if I can show these to you. You'll see they're quite different. This one here is the opening is quite wide, and this one here the opening is narrow. So this is for regular pore cleansing, and this is specifically for individual blackheads. So how it works is you snap the head into the tool, and then there's a power button on the bottom. You turn it on and it creates suction, and then that gets glided over your skin to clean out your pores. And that's how it works. It's based on suction. It's like getting a deep cleaning at the facial salon, but you get to do it at home in the comfort of your own home. I'm actually going to link a really good video that another consultant put out on Instagram. It's kind of disgusting, but also fascinating. I'm going to link that as well as a couple of before and afters down below. So my second question, what is the solution that you put on your skin to prep it? That's actually a really good question. So it comes with this little bottle of solution that creates glide on your skin, and the active ingredient in this is salicylic acid. And what that does is soften up all of the gunk that gets in your pores and makes it easier to extract. The other thing that I find is if you take a nice hot shower before you do this, it really helps to loosen everything up. Then put the solution on and you'd be amazed what comes out of all those pores. So that's the prep solution. The system comes with the tool, some of each of the kinds of heads, the solution, and a charging cord. The next question, can this be used for men or is it for ladies only? Oh yes, it can definitely be used for men. In fact, oh my gosh, that's disgusting, but also really fascinating piece when you clean out your pores. That's like super hyped up when men do it because they tend to have a lot more gunk in their skin. Not to call anyone out or anything, John Kirkham, just, it's how it is. Men have more gunk. The next question, is there anything special I need to do before I use the tool? I just make sure I have clean skin, and then of course the prep solution, and if you really want to get it done well, a nice hot steamy shower. Last question that I got, how strong is the suction? My blackheads are really deep. It's strong. It's plenty strong. So I've never used the second. There are two speeds on this. I've never used the second one, as I think I said earlier. It's too much for me. The first one is plenty. So I think maybe the second one is for like those individual blackheads. So those are all the questions I got. This is a great little tool. It's our newest one, and I use this maybe once every 10 days or so. The man who shall not be named might use it a little more often. I don't know, up to them. So that's all about that tool. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to direct message me, text me, call me, however you have my contact information. And tomorrow we're going to talk about masks. Rodan & Fields recently brought out a collection of masks. I think we have 5 now. And this is the unblemished mask. And it's the one, it's called Clarify. It's the one I thought that I would never use. It smells good. I actually use it all the time. And this one's kind of fun because it changes colors. So tune in tomorrow. I'll post up some stuff about this later on or tomorrow morning. And feel free to send me any questions you have about the masks ahead. Thanks for listening in. I hope this was helpful for you. Talk to you tomorrow.